Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about something that I kind of been wanting to post about. I just haven't had the chance. So today I'm going to be talking about Perfectly Posh Fake It Till You Make It. It is a gradual tanning body cream. I did use it on my arms. You can't really tell right now because the sunlight is outside and it's not really that bright in here to really see what the difference is. I will be posting up pictures and I will be giving you guys updates. So as of right now, I've only used this once and so far I love my color. It's natural looking. I personally don't tan, I burn. I am Hispanic, Mexican, whatever it is. I mean, I was born here, my parents are from Mexico. So they all have very pretty brown skin, and when it's sunny out, they get tan. I am on the wider end of that spectrum. Me and two other cousins of mine, we don't tan, we burn. We are the whitest of the bunch, and we just don't tan. I mean, after, you know, the color develops and stuff from a sunburn, it does end up being a little tan because I do get tan lines on my feet and in my hands with my rings and stuff. If anything, I think right now, yeah, I might have a little bit. You can kind of see where my rings have been. But other than that, I don't tan. My mom has gorgeous legs, and that lady can have brown legs all year round. And I'm like, how the hell do you do it? And in the summer, she'll be borderline super dark, like almost like a really dark chocolate. Right now she's a milk chocolate because it's the winter, but the fact that she has tan legs, I'm obsessed. So when they came out with this last year, I wanted it so bad, but I was still very new, and at the time I had a cast on, so for me it was like, okay, what's the point of having it on? And it didn't work out for me. I didn't end up getting it because it wasn't exclusive. It was a splurge that happens once a month. I believe it's the third Thursday of the month. So I didn't qualify that month to get it anyway, but it sold out quick and everybody was like, why? Bring it back, bring it back. So we did. We brought it back, they brought it back, and now it's in the Spring Trends catalog, the Spring Mini catalog, and I had to have it. I grabbed it and I put it to use. It is a light body cream. I don't want to actually put it on, but it smells slightly like peach. It does say it has that a light peach scent. Basic instructions say, stay looking sun-kissed all year long with this moisturizing and quick drying gradual tanning body cream. Features shea butter plus sweet almond, safflower, and apricot kernel oils and a light peach scent. Very moisturizing. It's crazy how fast this stuff soaks in, but it does say you have to wash your hands after because it will. I mean, I did right away, but I'm pretty sure because it is a gradual tanning lotion, it'll start tanning the inside of your palms, which, you know, they end up looking a little off. And so it's recommended you wash your hands after. You only need a thin layer, and the color begins to develop within 2 to 4 hours. I saw almost immediate. I want to say within an hour, it was already turning color. Like I am a lot darker than what I was a couple days ago because I've been using it. I used it once, but then that day I didn't actually post a picture of it. But I did notice darkness in my color on my legs, like within the 2 hours, within 2-3 hours. So I am obsessed. I will be posting updates, so this video might be a little long because I might have to like cut it off into the update, but I highly recommend it because it is sweet. It's very fast drying. So as soon as I was done, I literally got out of the shower, exfoliated and everything, because you do have to exfoliate before you use this. I love how it felt on my skin, and it's lightly scented. What else can I say about it? I really like it. So I will definitely be keeping you guys updated on the use, because if you want it darker, you obviously can use it every day. It does say apply daily for a darker tan and then wash hands after use. So I'll be inserting clips or pictures towards the end so you guys can kind of see what the difference is in my legs, because I'm pale AF. But this did give me a really pretty natural tan from which I am not very blessed with. So you can see that my neck is like super pale compared to my, you know, my arms and my face too. Right now, like I said, I need to use it again so it'll get a little darker. But I love the fact that this came out in the spring, so we kind of get a jump start on the summer. So if you guys are interested in getting one of these for yourself, I suggest you get it now before the next season comes in or it ends up running out and where it goes out of stock. Which God forbid it is, because this came back in such high popular demand that everybody was like, we have to have it. So I have my hands on it. If you are local to me, or if you want, you can ask for a sample request. I will give you an amount for maybe, I don't know, like your legs or arms, depending on what you want to try first. It will be a sample size, a little package. But let me know. I will leave a link to my Posh page on Facebook where you can send me a message and get the prompts there, go from there, and all this other good stuff. As for now, I will keep you guys updated, but thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.